Good morning, y'all.
Morning.
So I told you me and Curtis love each other.
I love you more than life itself, more than anything else in this world. With all my
As,
heart and soul. Got that right, so help me God. Love you.
love you too.
Dang right, I do.
So when we going back fishing?
I'm ready to go.
Our people want to know when
I'm
we're
ready to
going
go.
fishing.
I'm ready to go Wednesday.
It's gonna be cold.
Well, I'll go a little bit later then. I'll wait about an hour. Go about 7:30 or 8. Or just put on a plaid shirt, flannel shirt, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah. So back off of my man. He's mine and mine only.
Ain't nobody wants me. I don't want nobody else. So I'm going to worry about nobody backing off because I got everything I want right here. Forever and always. There you go. So get it through your pretty little head.
I love you and you only, not nobody else.
And I love you and you only, nobody else. So program it up there. Program it in your head. Sweeter than sweet tea. What was that? The little thing I seen there. Sparkled. What's that do?
I don't know. I don't know what that thing is. I just don't know. So you got something to tell our friends?
What's that?
Our YouTube friends and
What do you
family?
want me to tell them?
Huh?
What do you want me to tell them?
I don't know. To let you know that there's a new video coming up on Friday morning. So, keep an eye out on that one. It's comedy, funny video on Friday with me, Curtis, and there's two favorite person, and Curtis.
Yeah.
Tell him.
I don't know.
If you guess.
The fish are all scared, is all I know. They're all scared because of who was on the lake.
Just guess what who.
They were scared.
Comment down below.
They were scared.
And you want a cover. Comment down below.
No. I can't. Got nothing. Ain't no win prize for that because that's easy to guess. Got nothing to send out now. I'll be giving away stuff later on down the road. Our Ace is supposed to come in and get some stuff away. So then I'm going to give some worms and stuff away when Ace gets his stuff away on my channel, I guess. I'm sleepy.
You're very, very sleepy.
You're getting sleepy and sleepier. Watch 30. You're getting sleepy.
You sleepy. Not me.
Put the pendulum back and forth in front of you and get sleepier.
Mm-mm.
Sleepier.
You're sleepier, not me. I could tell in your eyes you're sleepier.
Too many trips back and forth.
It's two-way street. Not one-way street, it's two-way street.
Most people don't think that. They want you to do all the running. I could name a few people.
You know who I'm looking at.
You know a few people like that.
I'm talking about you, Curtis.
I know one now that I've been to his house probably 40 times or 50 times. He hasn't been over here for months, so they don't come over here. See, so I'm gonna quit going over there because it ain't fair. They live 3 mile away, one way, and 3 mile back, and they don't make a trip over here to sit down. So, nope, I ain't doing it. Same with a few other people. They want you to run 10 to 15 miles to see them, but they won't come here.
Oh, that day when I made that video, Curtis bought me a flower.
Yeah, tried to throw it away.
I didn't throw it away.
Took it, put it outside, let it wilt. Then she didn't take it. Milton's a witness. He's seen it.
I didn't throw it away.
You didn't take it nicely either. I brought it to you. He said, he's looked at me, he said, that's wrong, he said. He said she should have really been happy. I get her a lot more of them. She liked them. I don't know what to get her, but I'd get her lots of stuff if she just liked it. I'd buy her rings, buy her anything. Anything. Just go let me know what you want. She don't wear the one she's got like this.
It's in the bathroom.
Oh, you didn't told. I was going to ask that for a contest. Can't see the inside of it, can they? Look at that right there. Yeah, I can't get it in there though. No way to read it. Can't turn it right. I can't get it in light for her to read. I can't turn it in opposite directions. I can't turn like that. Normally, because you're turning to like to a mirror, like you can't do it. So I can't get the inside the right place. And I can't turn it in my hand. And when you know where it's at, it don't show the writing, of course. There it is. You guys can't read it. That says forever on the inside of that. It says Curtis and Francis on the outside, but mine's wore because I wore it all the time. It says it on there somewhere. I don't know where it's at, but it's on there. Curtis and Francis. Right there it is. Can't see it though. It's on there though. Take my word for it. Hers says Francis and Curtis. But she don't wear hers.
I think we got together around
Because I love, you know why?
2011.
You know why? Because I love her more.
And our anniversary's coming up too.
Well, I'm too ugly. She don't want everybody to know. See, it says Francis. You can see the writing on there. See it?
And our anniversary's coming up too.
She don't want nobody to know. She wants everybody to think she's single, I guess. She wants everybody to think she's single. Is that right?
I'm not single. I'm taken.
Everybody looks like.
I'm happy taken by you.
Everybody looks at me knows.
I'm happy taken by you.
Well, then you quit saying some of the stuff you say then.
You and you only.
Then quit saying the stuff you say. Hurts my feelings when we're offline. It's going to be a long video. Nobody wants to see all this crap. They want to see Fishin. I don't go fishing for. That's my best catch right here. So I ain't fishing for ladies because it's my best catch right here. I've already caught everything I want right here. If you just settle down and take my word for it. See, you don't have nothing to worry about. You can't be taken. Nobody can get you. Nobody has to back off. Nobody has to do none of that stuff. Because once you got somebody, and that takes two. So when me don't want nobody else, 20 people could want you. Well, Miss America wants you, and if you don't want them, because you got what you want, you're happy, then they don't have a chance. See what I'm saying? So you don't have nothing to worry about, which is what I told you. You've got me, nobody else can get me. So I don't want nobody else. So that's what you got to get through this. Go. Believe and trust. And know in your heart that you have me. You're 24/7.
Who's in the bed with you, Curtis?
Nobody but you. Sapphire's not in here.
You hear that, y'all? About Sapphire's not in here.
She jumped up here the other day.
So you go sleep with Sapphire.
She jumped up here the other day and you let her lay there.
Curtis.
Max jumped up here too.
You're two-timing.
See, there it goes. Now why is she kissing all over Max? I don't kiss him, I don't kiss Sapphire. So why does she kiss all over Max?
Oh, shoot. I'm messing around with Curtis.
And she's always talking about Willie. All the time, every day, got her mentioning his name. You want? I should tell him what. Oh, you know what she said to Willie? Shug Shug. That's what you called him on the phone, y'all. See, I'm gonna tell her. She called him Shug Shug. And she says, I ain't cheating on you, Willie. See?
I'm messing around.
No, it's the truth. You don't hear me say stuff like that.
I'm
If I said that about a woman, she'd say,
around.
see, I knew it, she'd say. I don't do that. This is a 15-minute video. What are you doing?
You know, I'm just playing around. Cause I when you divorced me, Curtis.
See?
Where's my divorce papers?
See? You heard what she said, see?
Yours, Sapphires and Max. I'm waiting on there so I can sign those papers.
See, she said Willie too. She wants rid of me, see? You all heard it. You don't hear me say stuff like that.
And I wanna sign my name off of this house.
See? Why do I want you forever and you don't want me forever? So you just heard it from me. She said it. And then she tells me me and the only. You just heard it in the beginning and you hear a change, see? So who messes around? Not me. Francis goes, there won't be no more Curtis. There won't be no more rattle trap fishing because I just wither away. Just don't care anymore. So I think I love right here. Nobody knows my life story. You gotta shut this off. Nobody wants to see this.
I love you, Curtis. Still wanting. You and you only, not nobody else.
And then don't say the things you say to hurt. Quit thinking there's somebody else when there's not. It's not true, none of it. Never will be. Know where I'm at 24/7. You shut it off? You shut it off?
I want you and you only, not nobody else, because.
It's still recording or not? It's recording or it ain't?
Well, y'all, there's more fishing videos gonna be coming soon. So, want you guys looking for it soon.
Accusing me of somebody else when there ain't nobody ever I want but you. It's
And,
not true.
keep your eyes out for the new videos. So stay tuned.